distance away.
So I'm out here with Mr. Ed Ricker himself, and here's the T2, and we're just going to demonstrate, or he's going to demonstrate how easy it is. Ed, did I give you any instructions on this?
No, although I have built the T1, but I
Okay.
have not seen this until now.
Okay, fair enough. So first time seeing it, he's pulling it out of the actual box that it got shipped in, and we're just going to watch him put it together, no instructions. Show you how easy it is.
You got a spar that goes through here. Yeah, obviously you have your battery in here. You have your XT60
You got all the bits?
hanging
Get
out.
all the bits down here first.
You have your PDB.
Here you go, grab this stuff right here, bro.
What do I need?
Right here, I don't see the screen. There it is.
Oh, more of this. All right, where's the turny thing?
I'm gonna give you any or no answers. What you looking for? That's it. That's all you need, man.
No. Well, what's
No,
this?
that's it. It's okay.
Okay. All right, so I see a connection point here. It looks like this would go in this way.
Look for the little hole on the spin it around. Yep, spin it around. There's a little notch in the hole. See that hole? That hole is gonna go to this button right there.
Oh, really? That
Yep,
far?
just slide it in. Yep. Till it clicks. There you go.
Wow. Okay, and then the tail.
Same thing. Of course, I'm supposed to not give you any instructions.
This is
but
definitely the way
We'll make
up.
this a 10-minute video.
Let's see. Then we got this. Wow. So it's crazy how it's all kind of snapping together, man. Now this is interesting.
Just straight down.
If I go down, what part does this play?
That's it.
Really?
Yep.
What's it for?
That's
Oh,
the
stabilization? Oh, I
Rudder.
see. Oh, that's right. Wow,
Yeah.
I did not realize it was a rudder.
Yep.
So that's cool as hell. I was like, what is
Okay.
this connection thing? All right, we got the spar halfway through.
You got used two. It requires two this
Oh,
time.
really?
Yep.
Okay.
I have
Same?
no spare parts.
They're the same? Okay.
He-Wing, send first send another one of these, and then send some more parts, please.
Where's the other hole? Where's the hole?
That's what he said.
All right.
Good.
Then should be a satisfying snap.
Nope.
No?
Not on this one. They've
That-
engineered it.
That is. I
You're
kind
gonna
of
like
missed the
this.
snap.
You're gonna like this though.
I missed the snap
You'll still
because
get a
I like
snap.
to.
Yeah, you're gonna have a new one.
Okay.
Go in there on each side where those snaps used to be. Is gonna be a twist lock.
Oh, here.
Just twist it. Yep. There you go.
Okay, so
Do the
there's
same
one.
thing on the
Oh,
remote.
there's okay, each one.
Yep.
So instead of 2 snaps, I get 4.
Yep.
I'll accept
Double
that.
your
I'll
pleasure.
take it. I'll take it. All right, and then once we get the battery in there, obviously, it would be this number.
Right.
These are going to be a lot easier to find because they're so fucking big. But yeah, there we go. How long was that? Like
3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah.
Yep. About 3 minutes.
And another maybe 1 or 2 minutes to put on the props. If
Tape's
they
extra.
weren't on. Tape
That's
there.
Shelby Mod.
Okay. Has it been kissed by a chaser yet?
Kissed by a tree. The one
Chase
right over.
kissed.
This one right here. So
Kissed.
it's flying great. And there you go.
people over
Took
there.
3
Holy
minutes
shit.
to put the T2
like 30 people
Cruiser together. So if you're in the
All right.
market, I would suggest getting this one.
Wait.
What? Oh, you want to hold it?
Yeah, Hobbit status. This is Hobbit FPV coming at you live with the T2 by He-Wing. Great aircraft. 3 minutes to put together. Carry on.
Okay. All right, Sal, go get you some. Bye.
Yep. Cool. Dude, I feel mini. I feel mini.
It's got a little heft to it.
Dude, it's like everything is just
When I
so
went,
big.
When I went to throw it, it like threw my shoulder out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's got some weight to it.
Stop throwing it.
Yeah. But honestly, ready. Nice. That's like maybe 1 low and then maybe 1 high. Oh shit! Oh shit!